Hi everyone, it's Donna for Unity Stamp Company. I wanted to share a card that I created using the new Blooms background stamp and also a sentiment from the new Blissful Birthday kit. To create my card, I wanted to use coordinating paper and ink, so I chose an ink that's water-based, and I just used the Nacor brush and added that water to each of the blooms, and then I went back over and applied the color. You can apply your color and then go back and accent it for different shadowing and textures. I did this throughout the complete background. This background fits fully onto an A2 size card. Really, I trimmed it down some, but I think you'll be really happy with the size of it. Then I just took the sentiment and matted it to the same coordinating paper and put some flicks of color on that. I ran that through the Big Shot die cutting machine using a spotted embossing folder for more texture and adhered that to the card. I then applied a strip of washi tape down, a little bit over more to the left side, and then popped up the sentiment using foam adhesive. And once that was attached, I took the glossy accents and added that to the centers of all the blooms. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and I also hope you'll try this technique and share it with us. Thank you for watching.